Welcome to Quick Coding Tips. Today we're solving a common programming challenge. Let's start by understanding the problem. Angular provides lifecycle hooking on init by default. Here's the solution. The constructor is a default method of the class that is executed when the class is instantiated and ensures proper initialization of fields in the class and its subclasses. Angular, or better dependency injector DI, analyzes the constructor parameters, and when it creates a new instance by calling new myClass, it tries to find providers that match the types of the constructor parameters, resolves them and passes them to the constructor like new myClass sumarg. ngOnInit is a lifecycle hook called by Angular to indicate that Angular is done creating the component. We have to import onInit like this in order to use it. Actually implementing onInit is not mandato. For the complete solution, check the video description. The constructor should only be used to initialize class members but shouldn't do actual work. So you should use constructor to set up dependency injection and not much else. ngOnInit is better place to start. It's where when components bindings are resolved. For more information refer here, https angular.dev guide components lifecycle ngOnInit Angular component constructor versus onInit. Important to note that input values are not accessible in the constructor. Thanks to Tim for suggestion in comments. This approach is efficient and follows best practices. Thanks for watching Quick Coding Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more programming tips.